Hey, Paul.
Yeah.
I want to go climb WALSH'S pyramid.
Let's do it. I'm in.
Likelihood of us actually making it to the top of this?
100%.
I think it's pretty low.
Dude, this is crazy.
We're only like a 1/10 of a mile in. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Yeah. Never seen a trail like this.
The view keeps getting better every time we turn around.
It's only the beginning.
It just keeps getting steeper. How? Why? Why? For being the guy who really wanted to go out and do this, I seem to complain a lot. And now we're covered in spiderwebs. I have not sweat this much in a very long time. Since like last time I went hiking in Papua New Guinea. It's a bit of a hike. Oh, flat spot. I think this is the first flat spot we've had all hike. First spot. I'm out of breath.
Ryan, thanks for teaching me some bouldering skills at the gym.
Paul, the sign says 1 kilometer.
Oh crap.
We've not even gone a mile, and they're running it.
There you go.
You guys are crazy. But this is actually halfway. I don't think we're gonna make it.
Look up here.
What do you think, Paul?
I think we got this.
He's so much more optimistic than me.
I don't see anything higher. Welcome to WALSH'S pyramid. We made it! Woo!
All right, Paul. We made it to the top.
We sure did.
It took like as long as most people around here seem to do the entire trail just for us to get to the top. Do you think we're gonna survive the descent? Because there were some things that like were hard to climb up with all 4 appendages, and now I'm not entirely sure we can make it down.
Yeah, and gigantic steps. I don't do those very well back down either.
We're kind of wimpy.
I think we got this though.
The view is worth it. Like, check this out.
Definitely worth coming up. If you get a chance, you just got to do it if you're in the area.
Highly recommend. Super worth it. Super beautiful. You can see all the farmland. You can see Cairns in the distance. You can see some really beautiful mountains. And it's really peaceful up here.
No kangaroos though, just to warn you.
Yeah.
Wallabies? No.
No.
Koalas?
You might find a tree kangaroo.
Oh yeah, look hard enough.
All right, back down we go.
making our way back down. Came down from this craziness. Making progress. Hadn't twisted any ankles yet. Almost made it. There's Mac. He's about to die. We pretty much did it. Yes.